this is...
Hi, I am Lily, and this is Lynn, and I'm Lily.
Yep, and Lily, what are we gonna make today?
So we're gonna make a unicorn vase popsicle stick.
So a unicorn popsicle stick vase. And what do we need for today's project?
So we need a pencil, we need paintbrushes, we need a paper plate, we need paper, we need scissors, we need leaves, we need flowers, we need a can, we need popsicle sticks, we need
Brush on paint.
and we need tacky glue, and we need puffy paint.
And then what is that? Aleene's Tacky glue.
We need Aleene's Tacky glue.
All right, Lily, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Are we gonna have fun?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go. Our first step, get your can, make sure that it is clean, and you wanna get enough popsicle sticks that are going to fit around your can when you glue them on. And you're gonna need 2 extra ones because we are gonna use those to make the horn of our unicorn. All right, Lily, what are we gonna do to these popsicle sticks?
Okay, we're gonna put them on the can, and we're gonna use,
But what are we gonna do first with these paintbrushes and the paint?
we're going to paint the can.
Nope, we're gonna paint the popsicle sticks.
Paint the popsicle stick.
All right, for our next step, what are we doing?
We are going to glue the paper to the paper can.
Uh-huh. And we're gonna use Aleene's
We're gonna use Aleene's
Tacky glue.
Tacky glue.
All right. All right, so next step, we're gonna let this dry for a second, and then we're gonna start gluing our popsicle sticks around it. And we're gonna do this all the way around the whole can until our entire can is covered with white popsicle sticks. All right, for our next step, what are we gonna do?
We're going to glue up the popsicle sticks.
Yep, and we're gonna make a...
We're going to make a unicorn.
A unicorn horn, right? All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace that on this fun paper, okay? I'm gonna put this on the back and we're gonna trace that. So Mommy's gonna help with this part and then we'll cut it out, okay? Once we get it cut out, we're going to glue it in between our horn.
Cut the line.
Yep, cut on the lines.
Alright.
You got it. Good job. All right, for our next step, we're gonna add our ears. And what is our unicorn gonna be named? What's our unicorn gonna be named? Do you know? What are you gonna name our unicorn?
Magical Elsa.
Magical Elsa will be the name of our unicorn. Okay, and then last but not least, we're gonna put our horn on. All right, Lily, what time is it?
It's time to do puppy paint.
All right, once your puppy paint is dry, it's time to give our unicorn a what?
A flower crown.
All right, so hold on, let me put the glue on. All right, you wanna show everyone what it looks like?
Yup, and
All right, turn it on and show it to the camera.
go.
All right, we have one step left. What are we gonna put on the inside? What are we gonna put in there, in that vase? What are we gonna put in there?
Roses.
All right, I'm gonna go grab some roses. We're gonna fill our unicorn vase and we'll be right back. All right, Lily, what do you think? Do you like how it turned out?
Yup.
It looks so pretty with those flowers.
And if you want to watch more of our videos, search for my name.
So you can go to craftboxgirls.com or
if you want to search for more of my videos, search for my name.
okay, or you can go to craftboxkids.com as well.
But do you want to spell my name with me? Lily.
That's right. Lily's with me in a bunch of kid craft videos. So we've got more stuff coming your way. And you can check out both of those sites for more fun, kid-friendly Aleene's projects. Right?
Right!